might start crying. Hey, yeah, how are you? And welcome to the Halloween special outside box. I'm shooting in a slightly different part of the house than I usually do because we're redecorating at the moment. So I can have my fabulous. I feel like I should put the hat on, but I don't know if you're able to see it. Cute? Not cute? I might pop up coughing in the background. That's purchases I made last year. That keeps falling off, so I'm gonna do it out. Right. Oh, no sense of the world. So this week's video is a little different because rather than being a small Irish business, it's a small UK based business, and it's called Katy and Bond, and I've ordered from here a few times. They like recycle and upcycle pieces of clothing, so it's sustainable fashion, which I'm all about. I bought my Pokemon to stop from there, which is on my Instagram, and Carol's Street Fighter jacket that I got as an anniversary present. So I'm just gonna do it. The box here, and they did a trick or treat box, which I ordered about a month ago. Happy Halloween! Oh, the Halloween. I don't know if you can tell from me ordering all the Halloween boxes. Cool. Like what you do. A few different packages inside. There's this and that. And this. That's it for packages, and then there's other bits in the box. So have a look at these first. Let's see. Got Ghost and are spiced maple and citrus, and I think they're what smells. Let's try and open them up here. In the bag, I actually thought they were little teeth, but they're little ghosts. That's so cute. Oh wow, they're just so cute, and they smell amazing. Oh, you know how much I love small things. Okay. And this little baggie, it's trick or treat. Yeah. Ooh, the spider ring. It's a vegetable. Ooh, okay, there's lots of sweeties in here. Like an absolute child. Okay, and then just a little envelope here. There's a load of fireworks going off in the background. I don't know if you can hear that. Ooh, badges! Just saying, in one of the other videos I collect badges. And they're all like based on horror movies, I think. The other two out. Yeah, they're like classic horror movies or horror comics. Really cool. Bambi. She doesn't look that different from me right now. Okay. Oh, got. Cute bird. I just got Scream on it. Scream's like one of my favorite slasher movies. I think that and Nightmare on Elm Street are like my go-to horror movies that I watch on repeat. Not just at Halloween, just in general. I'm one of those weird people who gets calmed down by watching horror movies. Oh, as a cool patch, which I will have to stick onto my denim jacket. So love you to death. Ooh, bubbles. Yeah. There's also these really cute prints in it, and if you're a doggy lover, check out this one. And they're all like the original prints as well, because they've got numbers on the back. How cute is he? Lastly, there's a t-shirt. So cute. I got my t-shirt. I feel like I should put this on now. Should I put it on? Put it on. I probably should have left the camera rolling when I was trying to put it on, because me trying to get it over this week was hilarious. So that's it for my October Halloweeny unboxing videos, but I'll hopefully do some more in the next little while. Thank you everyone for watching, and for everyone who supported the businesses that I've mentioned. As I said, like, many times. Probably sick of hearing me say it, but they're all small businesses, so it's really important to support them right now. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I'm really surprised by the amount of people who have watched me yap on. But yeah, obsessed with, like, I'm not sure which bag I'm gonna put this on. All of them just attached to myself. But yeah, thank you for watching the October version of Outside the Box.